Righto, so tonight we're down at the trawlers and we're going to go for a night fish. And it's perfect time, so I'm going to try and hurry up, get some water in this bucket and defrost these mullet. And yeah, we'll chuck 2 slabs out and 1 just butterflied, and then yeah, anyway, I'll quickly hurry up. Big bait out, so
we're just defrosting the mullet, and Link's going to show us how to butterfly a mullet.
It's still a bit frozen, but oh well. Alright, then once you get that, you just break that, and then you got a bait like that, and then you just hook it from the bottom there and then out through there, and then you chuck it in.
Bait of the day. Night.
Righto, so Riley's just putting on a surface lure. I think it's popper. Is it popper? Yeah. Out this way. There she is. Got it rod just here. And then yeah, we'll see if we have any more action. Is that right?
Okay, so we just went fishing. We got a lot of hits and a lot of action out there, but we didn't seem to catch one. So yeah, hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Get some fish.
Hopefully. Unlike the fishing pole.
Oh, we're just finished fishing and we're on our way back to base camp, I guess.
Big one is.
Yes! It's huge!
Rolly.
I need some light. I need some light.
Holy shit.
Lennox, you need to get the net.
Hold the camera, put that down.
So, Riley's lure fishing. He's hooked up to a big ass flathead. Huge flathead.
That's a big flathead.
Come over. Wait, I'm gonna land somewhere. Thing's too small. Hold this.
Where do you want to land it, Riley? Riley, come down here.
Chill out. Chill out.
I'm chilling out.
Holy shit. Let it run. Right there.
Go Riley, go Riley, go Riley.
I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body.
Oh, stinger up there too.
Last night you were in my room.
Shit, there is two.
My bed sheets smell like you.
Dirty Charles.
I'm in love with your body. Come on, be my baby. Come on,
Riley.
I'm in love with your body.
Good job, Lennox!
PB, Riley, that's a meter. Big Daddy.
I'm in love with the
This
shape
is the
of
fish that
you.
Riley caught. We're just letting him go now. He's a big fish. This is the end product of the lure.
The lure's like snapped in half. The thing's gone. It's tore all of it out. And
Follow it.
yeah, the line's not very faded, but the lure's
Keep Kmart ones, eh? Just keep fishing.
flatted. That's what it looks like when caught a big flat.